Hey, in this video I will show you how photo matching or template matching with Python. Here I use OpenCV. This is a short video. I will explain OpenCV in future tutorial. So enjoy this video. I will tell you everything about this video. So this is the picture 1 and this is the picture 2. This is the Doraemon with Nobita and this is the only Nobita. I just cut this portion from this picture. So this is the small portion and this is the big portion of the picture of the two pictures. Okay, so the result is where the picture is matched. So you can see it. So here in this portion the picture will match. Okay, so there is a lot of methods to find the matching point. Okay, so in this video I will explain it. So at first you need the three modules. First is NumPy, second is OpenCV, and third is Matplotlib. So just install the three modules, NumPy, OpenCV and Matplotlib. So just insert a cell above and you can install by CMD, or here you can type just exclamation and pip install NumPy and hit shift enter. Okay, requirement already satisfied in my case, but if you don't have installed it, please install it. So just install three modules. First is NumPy and second is OpenCV and third is Matplotlib. Okay, so at first you have to import these three modules. Import NumPy as np, import cv2, this is the OpenCV, and import matplotlib.pyplot as plt. Here in Jupyter Notebook you have to type %matplotlib in line, then hit shift enter. Okay, then grab the background image. So what is my background image? Background image is my Doraemon 1. Okay, so just type bg equals cv2.imread, then type the image name as a string. So what is the path of image? This is the base directory, so just type Doraemon and Doraemon1.jpg. So type tab for autocomplete. Okay, so next you have to convert the color from BGR to RGB, means blue green red to red green blue channel. Okay, shift enter. Okay, so now type plt.imshow and pass the bg. What is bg? The background picture. Okay, just shift enter. You can check the height and width of this picture, so just insert a cell below and now type bg.shape. Now hit shift enter. Okay, hit the shift enter. So height is 720, width is 1280 and the color channel is 3. Okay, so now grab the second image. What is the second image? Is Nobita's face. Okay, so just create a variable face equals cv2.imread image read. Okay, then type the path of the image. So here the image is Nobita1.jpg. Okay, now convert the color from BGR to RGB. Now then type plt.imshow and pass the variable face. Okay, so now hit shift enter and here hit shift enter. Okay, now you can check the shape of the face. So insert a cell above. So here just type face dot shape. Okay, now shift enter. Okay, so height is 345, width is 460 and color channel is 3. So create a variable height, width and channels equal face dot shape. Okay, height is 345, width is 460 and channels is 3, color channel. Okay, now here is the method for template matching in OpenCV2. So just enter it. So in the OpenCV here is lot of methods. Just type cv2.tm for template matching underscore and type tab for autocomplete. So there is a lot of methods. The first method is ccoeff, second method is ccoeff normed, and then tm underscore ccorr, and there is a sixth method. Okay, so now create a variable methods and pass the all methods as a string. So here I use the eval function. So for x in methods, at first grab the background images as bg copy, so bg dot copy, and then method equal to eval of x, and then result is cv dot template match bg dot copy. So just remove this all, and if I just hit shift enter, so here is nothing. Okay, so just type plt plot dot imshow and pass the result. Okay, now type plt dot show. Now shift enter. Okay, so here are 6 methods and here are the heat map. Okay, so in this point here is a match. So for this function, in this point here is also match, and for this function here is also match. So this is the heat map actually. So just Ctrl Z, Ctrl Z, Ctrl Z, and so now I just draw a rectangle where the template is match. Okay, so just grab the max and mean value and put their location. So mean value, max value, mean location, and max location equal to cv2 dot mean max log, and pass the result variable. Result is what? cv2 dot template match, and this is the background copy, means the background image, and the face, and the method. Method is eval of x because here the all method are in string. So if you use the string, so then you have to use the eval function, otherwise you can use as a function. So here just remove the eval. Okay, so but for this I use the eval function. Okay, so if method in cv2.tm square difference and template matching square difference normal, so then top left equal to minimum location and top left equal to maximum location, and bottom right is top left 0 plus width. Second point is top left 1 plus height, and draw the rectangle cv2 dot rectangle bg copy top left and bottom right, and the color is 255 for red, and you can change it, and the 10 for type shift tab, and you can see the property, and this is the thickness is 10. You can reduce the thickness. Okay, so then plot the images, plt dot subplot and plt dot image result and plt dot title. This is the first plot. So in the first plot, 1 row 2 column, and this is the plot number 1, and this is the second plot, 1 row 2 column and plot number 2. Okay, so just in the first plot type plt dot imshow result and plt dot title. What is the title? The result of template matching or photo matching. And then in the second plot just type same plt dot imshow, and this time just pass bg copy, means the background, and in this background the rectangle will included. So then type plt dot title, the match point, and plt dot subtitle. Subtitle means the in the header just show something. What something? X what? X is the name of method. Okay, then type plt dot show. If you do not type plt dot show, then it will not work, so you have to type plt dot show, and then type shift enter. Okay, so here is the result. So here is 6 result for the 6 methods of template matching. So in the first template matching result tm underscore coeff. Okay, so here is the point, matching point. Okay, there is a heat map and here is the matching point, and the second result also here is a matching point. The method is tm underscore ccoeff and norm, and third is tm underscore ccorr, and this is so bad result. And the next result for correlation normal, and the next result for square difference, and this is the heat map, and this is the result point. Okay, so you can use this in Django. So just try it and don't worry about the code. Code is in description box, just check it. So this is a short video. I hope you enjoy this video.